Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss from lesson number 2, class 6, File Explorer. Our next topic is different types of views. What are the types of views are there in Windows 10? Let us see. First one is extra large icons. That means this option displays the files and folders in extra large icons. Next one is large icons. Next one is medium icons, small icons, list, details, tiles, and last one is content. Let us see detailed look in a video. See here students, how to open File Explorer. Left click the start button, then right here file, then you can see here File Explorer. Click on that one. This is called File Explorer. Earlier we have discussed what are these. Now you can see here, this is called address bar, search bar, this is called navigation pane, like this. Now this is called File Explorer. Here we will see the icons. Here you can see, if I click on extra large icons, in view extra large, the icons, folders icons will be changed. See here. Now I will click on large icons. Now folders and files becomes into large. Next medium, the size of the also decreases. Small icons, list, it is called list type. And next one is details, date modified, name, type and size. And next one is tiles. Tiles means it looks like tiles. Next one is contents. Content means name and what is the modified file. So date modified. These two will be displayed in this content. See here, you can see what are those different types of views in Windows 10. Next one is organizing files and folders in File Explorer. First one is how to create a new folder. See here, how to open a files and folder. Double click the file or folder you want to open. You can see them all files and folder stores in a folder. That means you just double click with the left click, then automatically a file or folder will be opened. Then let us see how to create new folder. You can create folder to help organize your files. You can even create folders within folders also. That means folder inside folders, that also we can call, that is also called subfolders. Step 1, click on home tab, then click on new folder. Step 2, new folder icon will be appear on the right pane. You can type the suitable name for the folder. Let us have a look. See here how to open the files and folder. Just double click, the folder will be open. How to create new folder? In home tab there is a click on new folder, then folder will be created. Then you write the name, like I am writing here first project. Click on enter or click on outside of the area with left click. Folder is created. In this way we can create the folders. Organizing files and folders in File Explorer. Next topic is renaming a folder. How to rename a folder? Step 1, click the file or folder you want to rename. First we need to select the file or folder. Then click the rename option from home tab or press F2, or right click the folder and choose the rename option and type the name for the file or folder. Then the name will be changed. Let us have a look. How to create a folder? In home tab click on new folder, then new folder will be created. Now I want to rename the folder. Just click the folder, then in home tab there is a rename option. Shortcut key is F2. You can observe here shortcut key. And one more method is right click the file or folder and choose rename option. 3 ways are there. Now I am selecting here, click on the rename and write here second project. Then file name will be changed. In this way we can change the name of the file or folder. Next one is selecting files and folders. How to select all files or folders? To select the files and folders, click on select all option from home tab. From home tab you can there is an option select all, then all files will be selected. See here, I want to select all the files and folders, then go to home tab, there is a select all option, click on select all. See, all the files are selected. In this way we can select the files and folders. Next one is how to delete the files and folders. To delete a files and folders, follow the given step. First, select one or more files or folders that you want to delete. Then click the delete option from home tab. A dialog box appears, then click on yes to delete. First select the files or folders. Then I selected these two. First project I am going to delete. Then click on delete option from home tab. Then file will be deleted. Then I am selecting third project, click on delete, then deleted automatically. In this way we can delete the files and folders. Next one is how to move the files and folders. To move the files and folders, follow the below steps. First we need to select the file or folder, then click the cut option from home tab. Then go to the folder where you want to move the file or folder. Then click paste option from home tab. Shortcut key is Ctrl+X to cut the folder. To paste the folder or file, shortcut key is Ctrl+V. Next one is how to copy files and folders. To copy the files and folder means making the duplications of the files and folders. First we need to select the file or folder. Then click on copy option from the home tab. Then go to the folder where you want to copy the file or folder. Then click on paste option from home tab. To copy the file or folder, shortcut is Ctrl+C. To paste, Ctrl+V. Next one is how to view properties of files and folders. This is very important. To see the file properties or folder properties, first we need to select the file and folder. Then click the properties option in home tab. A properties dialog box will appear. You can check the properties of the selected file or folder. Now let us see how to cut the folder, how to copy the folder, how to paste the folder, and let us see how to view the properties of the folder. Now I opened one folder. Now there is a project folder. I need to move all the projects to projects folder. Now I will select all the folders. First folder I selected. Use control, press control and click on fourth, and click on second project. Like that, in the same way select third project also. There is a cut option over here. Click on cut. Then open the file or folder. Now there is a paste option. Click on the paste. See, I'll go back. See here, now projects only one folder is there. All the files are came to this under the projects. Now same the case, how to copy. Select the files or folders which you want to copy. Selected and click on copy option, and I want to go to this hello folder and right click and paste, or click on paste option. See here, in projects also these four are there, in hello also, in these projects also there are 4 folders are copied. In this way we can copy or move the files and folders. Now how to view? Click on any project or any project folder and any folder and click on properties option. A dialog box will appear like this. You can see here when it is created, Wednesday, July 19 at 5:28. That means today only. In this way, sharing, security, previous version, customize, we can see the properties of the folder. Okay students, that's all for today's class. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care, stay safe.